Here's an update on the developing winter storm poised to affect parts of our area later this week from the National Weather Service office in Norman. Preliminary forecast, what we expect to be going on Friday. The blue line that you see on the map is an estimate of where the freezing line might be. Freezing line indicates where the 32-degree temperature will be. North of that line, temperatures will be at or below freezing. South of that line, temperatures will be above freezing. So the shaded area that you see there will be the area with the highest potential for freezing rain during the day on Friday. This could begin as early as pre-dawn hours before sunrise and continue off and on through the day, mainly in that shaded area that you see there. If you get precipitation south of the freezing line, it's going to be all liquid rain. So the main travel impacts are expected to be north of that freezing line, basically along and north of Interstate 44 from Stillwater through Oklahoma City down to Lawton in southwest Oklahoma. This will result in some travel issues. Friday morning commute and in the morning and in the afternoon could be impacted by this. We don't expect the temperature to rise very much at all during the day on Friday. So if you're below freezing in the morning on Friday, you can't expect much relief. So we are going to see freezing rain begin early Friday morning and continue off and on through the day. We expect a break after that and then another round of freezing rain potentially Friday night and into Saturday. Saturday, as freezing rain continues, again, north of that freezing line, which may have shifted to the northwest just a little bit by then. Much of the Oklahoma City metro area may be out of the freezing temperatures by then. But regardless, whoever is in the cold air, well, we're expecting even more rain to be moving into the area, you're going to be experiencing freezing rain. And it's during the day Saturday when we expect to start to see impacts from the freezing rain accumulating on trees and power lines, and we could start to see tree damage and potentially even some power outages. So this remains a potentially serious situation for some parts of the area. Exactly where that freezing line sets up and exactly who gets freezing rain is still up in the air just a little bit, but we wanted to give you our latest forecast so you know what to plan for at this point. Potential ice accumulations. These are estimates at this time. We expect at this moment the heaviest ice accumulations, potentially those ice accumulations that could cause power outages and tree damage and things like that, to be in the darker pink and blue shaded areas. That would be roughly north of a line from Stillwater to Altus. But again, this is not set in stone. This is our best forecast at this moment, and I guarantee you it will change over the next coming days. So you want to stay tuned for that. Follow us on social media and keep an eye on our webpage for the latest weather information on this developing winter storm.